Hey there, this is Atul from Team K20 Academy, and in this video, I will tell you how you can access roughly around 1 hour class on AI agents, including everything that you need to know. If you're a complete beginner, or even if you are knowing AI agents, it'll be useful for you to understand as well. So to give you some context of this, I recently had roughly around 2 hours class on mastering Agentic AI, a complete roadmap for beginners in order to get a high-paying job. We covered everything that you need to know and learn and path. And one of the common questions keep coming with back was what exactly is AI agent? A lot of guys were fairly new and for different backgrounds from maybe a on-premise architecture developers, administrators, or project managers who wanted to learn agentic AI but had no clue about what that is. So I decided to create a video talking about everything about agentic AI agent. So I attended a session in that I got tons and tons of value. So I thought it was very interesting session, and I decided to give you that whole thing about in our private Facebook group. And so in this video, very quick intro on where to access, how to access, and what to expect in that video. So we'll be talking about in that video about what are AI agents, will and so everything about AI agent, including things like how multi-agents work together in order to build an AI-based agent applications. We'll also look at what are the examples of AI agents in different industries, also AI whole platform landscape as well. Also in that, I'll give you the link of this whole roadmap and path, including the free class in that. We'll also look at the definition of AI agents, Agentic AI, AI assistant, and the Gartner's assessment framework. In fact, the session was from Gartner. It will be very, very interesting. You will learn and understand as well, including the examples of LLM-based agents for knowledge management or multi-agent for logistic-based industry. This is just to give you a glimpse of how and where these different agents are being used. Then we'll look at when to use AI agent and what is basically the gap that AI agent are filling in the industry as well and the common use cases. And that's when we'll move into the next part, which is when to consider for AI agent, because there are some considerations. These are things that you need to be taking care of if whether you're designing, implementing, or thinking of using AI agents for your business applications as well. And then finally, when not to use this AI agent as well. So just to access this, we have a private Facebook group. In that, I've published that which is about AI agent for beginners in simple terms. So if you go to this URL, k20academy.com/AI04, below that video, I'll share this. In that Facebook group, we'll be talking about, you'll have this. So let me, if I just go and show it to you on what you're going to do is maybe if you're not yet part of this group, you may have to go and join or request a joining. So probably I'll show if I go this k20academy.com/AI04, you might have to register or answer a few questions and join this Facebook group if not. And this is roughly around 40-minute or 45 minutes, 48 minutes video talking everything. And a speaker, guest speaker, will be talking about this webinar. Also, then I also have, prior to that, within the same group, you will also see AI job role, which was available on k20academy.com/AI01. Uh, Also, I'm releasing a new class on the AI agent mastery or roadmap. So whatever we covered in the webinar, I'm giving you that whole roadmap, but in a simple terms, including some of the common questions. That's coming most probably tomorrow. I'm recording this on 30th of August. So that will be coming on 1st of September, just giving a finishing touches to this video. So go and check out k20academy.com/AI0 or AI04. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Atul. As I said at the start, I have close to 2.5 decades of IT experience, and I've worked with some of the big clients all across the globe. And these are some of the clients that I've worked in last 25 years. And I've gone from earning less than $100 a month to then moving to UK from India, working as a contractor and working 425, 500, 700, 900 in excess of £1,000 a day here in the UK now. And I cover a three-step framework on how to get a high-paying job where we teach and talk about and give you the exact frameworks which I've used not only just to me but to build a very successful team and then also help others like Shrija on from struggling to get a job in AI ML in Canada, or SJ, who's not only her husband got a job, but she almost doubled her salary in the US, or Shovik, and hundreds and thousands of individuals like them. So check out this link which I mentioned, and I'll see you inside the Facebook community. Take care and bye for now.